Aave in a real sense is a low-position digital money as of now evaluated at $64.84 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $945,929,777 in an unpretentious manner. Over the past truly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Aave, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and merchants generally are really keen on digital currencies for example, Aave, since this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources sort of have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately kind of brief timeframe, which basically is very critical. These profits especially are unreachable in different business sectors, which explicitly is the justification for why most really moderate financial backers fundamentally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Aave. While the groundbreaking ones generally dedicate a huge part of their genuinely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $64.84, where it right now sits in every way that really matters, huge way. As currently referenced, Aave is a low-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 43rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the in every practical sense metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Aave, the market capitalization really remains at $945,929,777. The significance of this boundary will sort of be generally made sense of later, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation especially is planned in truly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to explicitly give our endorsers the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough in every practical sense. Evaluate the condition of their portfolio and explicitly conclude whether it sort of necessities to explicitly be reconfigured, which essentially shows that as currently referenced, Aave fundamentally is a low-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 43rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings. The essentially metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the really current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which by and large is very critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which sort of is truly fundamental for the essentially right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future course, which basically is genuinely critical. Beneath you will sort of find genuinely key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Aave market fundamentally is going amazingly. Yesterday, on October 19, Aave truly was esteemed at $62.10 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recollect that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a kind of significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period generally added up to 4.81% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 13, Aave for the most part was exchanged at $62.89 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that especially near its by and large present position, which explicitly is very critical. On September 20, which fundamentally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $61.86. The cost level that in a real sense is at the distance of 4.81% from where it at present stands, which generally is very huge. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which by and large is very huge. Market capitalization is another significant in every practical sense metric that for the most part assists traders with explicitly deciding the prominence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they really thought. It's likewise used to sort of survey the offer that Aave by and large holds inside the kind of whole digital money market, or so they really thought. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization for the most part is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to especially is duplicated by its truly current cost in a significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave generally remains at $945,929,777, enough to name it the 43rd scarcely the biggest coin on the digital money market, which explicitly is very huge. Yesterday, on October 19, the market capitalization of Aave generally remained at $905,855,213 in a very enormous manner. 7 days prior, on October 13, the capitalization of Aave generally was $917,284,927, which really is genuinely critical. A month prior, on September 20, how much sort of capital streaming around this extremely specific market truly added up to $899,744,946, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Most digital currency financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which basically are the in every practical sense normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking. The genuinely most extreme stockpile of Aave fundamentally is 16,000,000 of. The exceptionally complete stockpile of Aave at present really remains at 16,000,000 coins in an unpretentious manner. The coursing supply of the digital currency under audit is 14,588,355 of, which is very critical. This Aave cost expectation wouldn't in a real sense be for the most part total, without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry since it's the certainly metric utilized by practically all digital currency merchants to in every way that really matters, affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there is a fundamentally high likelihood that this move by and large is unreasonable and would essentially bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Accordingly, it is critical to examine the kind of past and the really current exchanging volume of Aave requests to comprehend whether this market has a basic strength. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Aave market really was enrolled at $78,262,739, which sort of is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 19, Aave had an exchanging volume of $59,103,755, showing consequently it's vital to dissect the truly past and the ongoing exchanging volume of Aave requests to basically comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which explicitly is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on October 13, the kind of normal kind of everyday exchanging volume on that market truly added up to $44,764,028 in a for the most part significant manner.